Hello YouTube, today I'll be doing some fishing and I'll be using this reel. This is a QUANTUM SS200, their Trophy series, and it's an older reel, low profile bait caster, and it says saltwater protected right here. Has 3 ball bearings in it. I got this reel from eBay for around like 40 bucks. I do have their freshwater version, the EX200, but I've used it in saltwater, and the result wasn't very good after 2 uses, even after rinsing the reel when I'm done fishing, and still corroded. But I do like the feel of these reels. Nice and light, very low profile. But hopefully this one will hold up against saltwater fishing. And this reel features a bait clicker too, so you can use it for light bait fishing. Give it a shot today. Hopefully we'll be catching some fish. And it's a little windy today, so I'll be throwing tins and with a small teaser. I think size 4, size 2 actually, the hook. And, yeah, we'll see. Okay, stay tuned. Got a fish on. Sand flea. That's cool. Yeah. A little bit changing of the tactics here. It's a big robin. I'm not gonna keep him today, so I'll send him on his way. I'm using a size 6 hook and Yamagata bait holder. It's pretty good. It's a QUANTUM reel. See, this is the best part of using sand flea. After you release the fish, you can immediately rebait your hook. It's really very, very convenient. And this is how you hook them. Put it underneath the head and go out. You can hook the tail too, but this way it'll release a little more juice. I'm gonna cast right into outflow, so hopefully I'll pick up a fluke or 2. I'll go drink some water. I'll leave the line in the water. And I'll engage the bait clicker too. So if anything takes, you can hear it. Pretty loud. I really like this little feature. You don't see that too often on newer reels. But so far I'm liking this reel. It has nice and fairly light, you know. It's a little heavier than the Ambassador 5500 series, but still pretty light. And I opened up this reel. It's actually all aluminum construction, cast aluminum. So I guess it should hold up well against salt water. And if you can find one, definitely highly recommend. It's not bad for $40. That's for sure. Now we got a kingfish. Nice. That's the targeted species today. That's for dinner. And kingfish are pretty much school fish. Once you find one, you can find a whole bunch of them. So. Okay, switch back to jigs now. So apparently there are some small bluefish around. Got one. I think it's a striper. A little striper. There he goes. Oh no. Another way. Let's see what else is in there. I'm just using a plain 007 Diamond Jig. I think it weighs around 1 ounce. But this rod and reel combo I'm using right now catch the mile, even with those little jigs. Pretty impressed. The rod is a QUANTUM rod, 2-piece rod. I think it's more like a salmon rod. It's made in Taiwan, and these are really nice rods. Probably a blue. Yep, it's a blue. Poke the teeth. Oh. It's a bluefish. Okay, there he goes.